Hello everyone. I'm going to have a presentation about the paper titled Decentralization in POS Blockchain Consensus, Quantification and Advancement. This is the information of the paper. The contribution of this paper is adapting and formalizing decentralization metrics specifically for evaluating consensus mechanisms, and empirically demonstrate the challenge of weight concentration and its impact on decentralization in prominent blockchains. And it introduces the square root stake weight and logarithmic stake weight as mechanisms to address the weight concentration challenge. And it pioneers a data-driven approach to consensus research, offering a novel insights and solutions to enhance decentralization in blockchain systems. POS is a consensus mechanism where validators are selected proportionally their stake tokens. Each validator has weight proportional to the number of coins staked, and quorum must greater than 2/3 of total of weight. This is a part of a metrics to quantify the degree of decentralization. First, the M epsilon delta decentralization model. M indicates the size of the validator set, and epsilon captures the weight disparity between the most influential validator and the validator at the delta percentile. In other words, it measures structural imbalance in validator influence. Second, the Gini coefficient. The Gini coefficient quantifies in terms of area how far the Lorentz curve deviates from the line of perfect equality. It measures how unevenly stake is distributed. It equals 0 under perfect equality and approaches 1 as stakes become concentrated in a small minority. 그러니까 국문으로 잠깐 설명을 하면 이제 M 입실론 델타 모델은 총 인원수가 n명인 밸리데이터 셋에서 가장 많은 코인을 스테이크한 사람과 하위 델타 퍼센트에 있는 하위 몇 퍼센트 스테이크한 사람과의 스테이크한 코인 개수가 얼마나 차이 나는지를 설명하는 지표고요. 지니 개수는 이제 이상적인 로렌츠 커브와 이상적인 상태와 저 분포의 로렌츠 커브가 이상적인 값과 얼마나 차이 나는지를 보여주는 지표입니다. Next, the paper considered the Nakamoto coefficient in weighted POS systems. Nakamoto coefficient measures the minimum fraction of validators that must coordinate to disrupt the system. First, for Leibniz refers to the ability of the chain to continue producing blocks. In BFT-style POS, if validators controlling at least 1/3 of the total stakes stop participating or act maliciously, block production can halt. Therefore, the Leibniz-Nakamoto coefficient captures the minimum fraction of validators whose combined weight exceeds 1/3 of the total stakes. Second, for safety, safety refers to preventing conflicting histories from being finalized. To violate safety, coordinated validators must control at least 2/3 of the total stakes. So the safety Nakamoto coefficient measures the minimum fraction of validators whose combined weight exceeds 2/3 of total weight. In summary, the Nakamoto coefficient quantifies consensus power and concentration in terms of actual attack threshold. 그러니까 이제 나카모토 코에피션, 나카모토 계수 라이브니스는 이제 웨이트의 총합이 3분의 1이 넘으면 추가적인 블록의 생산을 아예 끊어버릴 수 있기 때문에 계속해서 블록을 생산하기 위해서 가중치의 총합이 3분의 1, 그러니까 악의적인 사람들의 밸리데이터의 가중치의 총합이 3분의 1보다 작아야 된다는 것이고, 나카모토 코에피션트는 이제 그걸 만족하기 위해서 상위 몇 퍼센트의 사람이 모이는지에 대한 지표입니다. 나카모토 코에피션트 세이프티는 이제 비잔티움 장군 문제 때문에 가중치의 총합이 3분의 1을 넘어가면 2개 이상의 블록을 동시에 확정해버려서 기본적인 블록체인의 신뢰성 자체를 무너뜨릴 수 있습니다. 그래서 이제 3분의 1을 넘기 위해서 상위 몇 퍼센트의 사람이 모여야 하는가에 대한 지표입니다. The paper also analyzed concentration using HHI and GIF coefficient. HHI index measures overall concentration by summing the squared normalized stake shares. A higher HHI indicates stronger dominance by large validators. In contrast, GIF coefficients focus on the rank size structure of the distribution. If validator power follows the power law, the exponent GIF captures how heavy-tailed and skewed the distribution is. In short, HHI measures concentration level, while GIF characterizes distribution shape. 그러니까 HHI는 이제 가중치의 총합을 1로 노멀라이즈 한 다음에 각 노멀라이즈된 가중치의 제곱의 합을 나타내는 지표고, 이제 중앙화되어 있을수록 높게 나타나는 지표입니다. 그 다음 지프 로우 코에피션트는 이제 그 각 밸류들을 오름차순으로 정리했을 때 얼마나 지수적으로 증가하는지에 대한 지표입니다. In addition to weight-based metrics, we analyze decentralization from a coalition perspective using the Shapley value. The Shapley value measures the expected marginal contribution of the validator, averaged over all possible coalition permutations. In other words, it captures how pivotal a validator is enabling or disrupting consensus. For Leibniz, the value function assigns 1 when a coalition exceeds the 1/3 threshold of total weight, since such a coalition can halt block production. So for safety, the threshold changes to 2/3, reflecting the quorum requirements needed to finalize a block. After computing individual Shapley values, we apply the Gini coefficient over their distribution. This allows us to quantify inequality not just in the stake weights, but in actual coalition influence. Therefore, Shapley-based Gini measures how evenly consensus power is distributed among validators. 그러니까 샤플리 밸류라는 거는 이제 그 특정 밸리데이터의 참여 여부가 그 실제 결과에 영향을 미치는 정도를 수치한 밸류고요. 그래서 이게 라이브니스에 영향을 미친 정도를 샤플리 밸류로 분석한 다음에 그 분포를 지니 계수에 먹혀서 평가 지표를 하나 만들었고, 라이브 세이프티에 관련해서도 같은 방법으로 샤플리 밸류를 구한 다음에 그 분포로 진위 계수를 구하였습니다. Using the previously defined decentralization metrics, paper analyzed 10 POS-based blockchains, Aptos, XLR, Binance, Celestia, Celo, Cosmos, Injective, Osmosis, Polygon, Sui. Across these networks, the Gini coefficient ranges from approximately 0.35 to 0.8, indicating substantial inequality in stake distribution. The Nakamoto coefficient for Leibniz varies between roughly 2.9% and 16%, while for safety it ranges from 11% to over 40%. This implies that in some networks, only a small fraction of validators is sufficient to halt block production or compromise safety. For example, in the blockchain Polygon, although it has 105 validators and no single dominant entity, reflected by a moderate HHI of about 0.051. Only 4 validators are sufficient to halt block production, and 12 could potentially affect ledger safety. This highlights an important insight. Even when no single validator dominates, a small coalition can still control critical consensus threshold. Overall, these results suggest the effective consensus power remains highly concentrated across many POS-based networks. 그러니까 진위 계수를 봤을 때 0.35에서 0.8로 매우 높게 나왔고, 미국의 수익의 진위 계수가 0.